Today's video, guys, gonna be how to fix a grey screen error in Discord. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is right click on your task bar, click Task Manager, and you're gonna then find Discord. You're gonna, sorry if I click on it, mine's a bit bugged. Click on it, end the task. Okay. You're then gonna click Windows R to bring up this. You're then gonna type in percentage app data percentage. Click OK. It's into this. You're then gonna click on Discord, delete it like that, and then reload, and then search up Discord, run as administrator, yes, let's do its thing, and when it loads back up, it might ask you to sign in. Mine just automatically does it for me, but it might ask you to sign in. Once you've done that, you will not be getting the blue screen Death No More, guys. Hope this video helped. If it does, drop a sub, like, and comment the next tutorial you want me to do. Peace.